must confess, but keeping clean is a must in every place. What's the first thing you do when you're in the loo? Do you wash your hands or just run away to? Remember, soap and water are your best friends. Let's make some bubbles that never end. In the bathtub, rubber ducks do play, splish, splash on a happy day. But when you're done, don't forget to dry, so you don't slip and fall and start to cry. What's your favorite thing to do in the bathroom space? Do you sing a song or read a funny face? Let's have some fun and be clean too. Bathroom time can be fun. It's